right, let's go ahead and jump in. Now this box is pretty hefty. It's a really big box. And on the other side of the box, it says, "May your Christmas sparkle with moments of love, laughter, and goodwill. And may the year ahead be full of contentment and joy. With love, the Virgo and Gem family." And their names, it's a little large. Graciela, Ariana, and Fernando. Such a beautiful message. Beginning with day one. Day one is AC21. Jesus fucking Christ. Day one is a copper glitter with green and red glitter in there. Day two is a light pale orange. Day three, red glitter. Day four is a corally pink. Day five is a hunter green with gold shimmer. Day six is a black fine glitter. This will be good for sugaring. Day seven is a red fine glitter. Day 8 is a bluish, it reminds me of a galaxy color, fine glitter. Day 9 is a beautiful blue glitter. Day 10 is another blue glitter. This time around, it's a very fine, shimmery glitter. Day 11 is a flat navy blue. Day 12 is a light gray with shimmer in it, very, very fine shimmer. Day 13 is a purple with some pink iridescent flakes in it. Day 14 is a light pink solid. Day 15 is a super fun one. Look at all those blues and pink foils in there. Day 16 is a light blue flat solid. Day 17, it looks like it's a green base with some pink foils in there. Day 18 is a flat green color. Day 19 is a medium pink, flat solid, no shimmer. Day 20 is a purple with silver glitter. Day 21 is a baby pink with microfine glitters. Day 22 is a silver and blue chunky glitter. Day 23 is a peachy pink flat solid. And day 24 is a pink with, it looks like some brown tones in here. This is really pretty too. Last but not least, we have day 25 right in here. You guys ready? And day 25 is a Virgo and 𝐀𝐝𝐯 desk vacuum cleaner. How adorable! Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you liked it, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below. If you have not seen my other unboxing advent calendar videos, I'll go ahead and provide the link right up here. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye!